Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Junghwan Lee. He's a division head of ETFs at Samsung Asset Management. Junghwan, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks, and please briefly introduce Samsung Asset Management and KODEX ETFs to the audience.
Okay. Samsung Asset Management is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Samsung Life Insurance that has over US $270 billion of financial AUM. KODEX is the ETF brand name of the Samsung Asset Management, with around 30 billion of AUM with 127 ETFs. KODEX ETFs are invested in diverse asset and structure, including domestic and overseas equity, fixed income, commodities, as well as leverage and inverse.
And please share with us your overall view on the metaverse.
Yes. Metaverse will drastically change our lifestyle in general, expedited through the development of the related device, infrastructure, and media. It will then ultimately affect how businesses are conducted, and thus it calls for further innovation in areas such as social networking, gaming, healthcare and beauty, engineering, education, shopping, etc. Practically all sectors of business that enrich our lives. According to a study conducted by PwC, the combined economic value created through Metaverse will reach around $476 billion US. At the core of Metaverse are innovative efforts for technological development in areas such as VR, AR, graphic, cloud, and semiconductors, and we expect to see more emergence and further growth of the new tech companies, much resembling the beginning stage of the smartphone era. For instance, VR AR technology is now close to reaching market penetration tipping point.
And why choose Nasdaq?
We choose Nasdaq to be our partner in indexation mainly for three reasons: accessibility, representativeness, and sustainability. It is accessible in that it maintains multiple outlets and sources for dissemination of information. More importantly, the reputation and the brand image associated with the Nasdaq closely resemble and well represent the concept of our Metaverse Index. Nasdaq is also one of the biggest and oldest index providers, having a track record that cannot easily be matched by many of the younger companies. Combining such a specialty and know-how with the data analysis capability of the cutting-edge tech company we were able to capture both sustainability and themes exposure.
And please introduce the index and its selling point.
We first set three sub-themes for Metaverse: platform, equipment, and content. Each index component is assigned to a theme score based on theme exposure and the significance in the company's overall business model. The annual Meta Index aims to capture balanced exposure in each of the three sub-themes as the concept of a metaverse becomes more familiar publicly and the quantitative metrics of metaverse-related revenue flow in. With more accumulated low data, the index will keep evolving in sustainability and rational.
And as one of the industry leaders, what is Samsung Asset Management's future plans in line with the current wave of innovation and developments in the ETF industry?
Post-COVID-19, the world is changing at a pace we have never witnessed or imagined. It is our duty to our investors to keep digging for new investment ideas, up to date with the current market trend. As an ETF issuer, one of the most critical parts of our job is to find a quality index to base our product on. The NI Meta Index is a great outcome of innovation endeavors we have raised and cultivated into a final product through a collaborative effort by Nasdaq and We'll regard partnership like this as a stepping stone for many other business opportunities in the future. Thanks.
All right. We appreciate the insight in the partnership. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.